Hey y'all, welcome back to another one of my videos. We are going to be doing a styling tutorial on a frontal wig unit. In this tutorial, we are going to be working on plucking, molding the wig, cutting layers, and then making sure that we get those nice juicy curls. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with the plucking. I have my wigs. This is a 24-inch full frontal unit that I colored to this cute chocolate brown. The knots I bleached as well, and I went ahead and shampooed and conditioned her. So we're gonna start this styling tutorial right from the jump, and we're gonna go into plucking. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I have my rat tail comb, and I have these tweezers, and I have mousse. And I'm going to part out. This right here is the middle. You guys see that line? I'm going to part out this line right here so that I don't pluck that middle part crazy. And then I'm going to go in with my mousse, and we're going to, I'm just doing half. And I'm going to not pluck, take this out.
During plucking, you are going to make sure that you are moving consistently throughout and you're not plucking one area multiple times, or you will create a bald spot.
They don't want to see me smiling back when they knowing I lie for you, thinking I die for you, sure to see cry for you, do things when you want me.
Also remember that you do want to make the hair look natural, but you also want to make sure that you don't overpluck. One, because a overplucked frontal looks good on camera, but it does not look good in person. And second, if you overpluck your frontal, you're barely going to be able to wear it multiple times. But if you pluck it just enough, you will get multiple wears out of it, because it's naturally going to bald as you clean the glue out of it. I am also using my hand to pull the hair in a flat position so that I could see what it looks like.
Die for you, do things when you want me to, like controller, yeah, like controller, yeah. And I'm never on a wasting shot. I do it how you say you want it.
Please remember, when you are plucking, take your time. It's no rush at all, girl. You could take away the hair, but you can't put it back.
I just wanna rewind. I haven't seen you in a long time. You got me feeling so lonely. Even when you come through, I can tell that it isn't you. So baby, bring it in closely. Hate the way I love you, but you're so sweet. I always find a way to say the wrong things.
And next, we are going to work on the middle part, the piece that I pulled out in the front earlier. I'm about to show you guys how to pluck that area and how to make sure that you kind of pluck that part. We're not going to do a middle part on this unit.
I wish that we were laying in the same sheets, but lately you've been acting like you hard.
So me plucking that area, it's going to define the part, but also too, it allows it to not look over plucked. So when I went ahead and went through the middle, while I'm going through the middle, it allows me to see what parts I should not pluck so that it doesn't look bald. We don't need a bald spot in the middle. We need a defined part. And now next we are going to work on molding the frontal. I don't know if I told you guys this already, but we are going to be doing a side part. And I think I want this side part to fall on the right side. So let's go ahead and get into that.
To make sure the unit is flat, you're going to make sure that you go through and hot comb it multiple times. Don't think 1 or 2 times through the hair is going to be enough. You need to make sure that you're hot combing it multiple times. I'm also pulling the hair outwards as I am combing it down. Just right here, like you see how I'm holding the hair up and I'm making sure that it gets through the hot comb right there.
I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm freaking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. No fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes. My set, follow the stars. Yeah, you shall find a piece of advice. If you hit your enemies shine. If you're not depend on me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. But here with no sacrifices. Everything was taken, you had to make it. Vibe killer, me I no go take shit. Vibe killer. You know I'm just that light. No, I'm not
Okay, if you like this video so far, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and then we're gonna go ahead and move on to cutting and styling. Okay, y'all, so we molded the wig, we got the baby hairs. Now we are going to start with cutting. I like to mold the hair just so that when I layer the hair, it's already molded. I don't have to worry about the hair getting cut too short or not long enough, okay? As you guys see, she is a little crooked, so I'm gonna straighten her up. This part kind of is more curved up in there to also hold it while I'm combing and pulling on it. The mannequin head is an average head size, so I will be going based off of the head. So that's why I had to make sure that I straightened her up and lined her up so that she's not gonna be crooked or. So I went ahead and parted me a section, and I'm gonna come down to about right here, and that's where I'm gonna start my layering for this side. And I'm just gonna for this side, I'm gonna start the layering about right here, because when you curl it, it's gonna. And make sure you are not pulling or tugging on the hair too much. I am getting rid of those fraggly ends because that's just that. And that's gonna make sure that that bang, it does its big one on each side. So we see the layers up here in the front, and they go all the way down to the back. I'm just gonna define them a little bit more. I'm gonna pull that hair a little bit, and I'm just gonna I'll grab the hair and just angle the scissors to go up that way. Now I'm going to go ahead and blow dry her and get these natural waves out. I let the hair air dry, and this is what she looks like after air drying. Okay, when I style my wigs, I usually part in about 4 sections. This is one section, the frontal is one section. This is one, and I'm gonna split this in half, 3 sections, 1, 2, 3, and then the frontal is its own section. So usually I like to grab a little bit of hair from the back, as you guys see the tracks right here, and I like to bring that to the front so that it blends. I'm going to go in with my spray, detangle, and we're gonna get curling, yay! So I am probably using a 1/2 inch curling iron. I've got this from Ulta. I've had this for a while, pretty cheap, nothing crazy, nothing expensive, okay? I probably spent like 30 bucks on it. So this is my left hand. So the baby hairs are on the right side. So this is the right side, and this is the left. So I'm gonna start on the left side, and I'm going to part this into 3 sections. This first row is gonna be 3 sections. And it's all up to you, honestly, what you feel like your curling iron can handle. And I'm going to start curling. So I'm gonna go in, curl, and bring the hair out to the front. And we're gonna wrap, curl. Hold it for a few seconds.
Hello? Hey. Yeah, I know. I've been meaning to call, but
Start.
something I gotta tell you that.
And I'm going to pull the hair and make sure that it comes out towards the bottom. Okay, let me get my mannequin hair and we gon'. Girl, you look good, won't you back that ass up? You a fine motherfucker, won't you back that ass up? Call me Big Daddy, won't you back that ass up? Ooh, juicy, juicy girl. She looking cute, but oh, I'm just gonna recurl the bang because who need that? I am dropping this unit on my website tomorrow. By the time this video will be out, the new wigs will be updated on my website. Majority of the wigs come ready to wear. And I do offer Klarna in the Afterpay group. And that concludes the video, y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe, whores.